Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'll be talking about the Farmer's Dog, a subscription-based dog food company that delivers fresh food directly to your door on a regular basis. Okay, so they were founded in 2014, and they focus on making nutritious, balanced, and customized fresh food for dogs. Now, I've been using them for almost a year now for my dog Max, and honestly, it's been pretty amazing to see how many changes he's made. He's a unique dog with an energetic personality and a sensitive stomach. That's why finding the right food for him was super important. So now there are a few small things that aren't perfect, but overall, it's a solid choice for your dog's health and their well-being. So in this video, I'll discuss their products, quality, packaging, cost, and everything else you need to know to decide if they're the right choice for your dog. Now, so if you decide to check them out at any time, you can click the link in the description down below to get 60% off your first box. This is a discount that is not available if you visit their website directly. Now, if you're a pet owner like me, you've probably been thinking about the best way to feed your dog the same way I was trying to feed my dog and give him the best health benefits. Okay, the whole story of the Farmer's Dog started with its founder Brett Podolsky and his dog Jada, who had some serious digestive problems. So his vet recommended he start trying homemade meals for her, and Brett, not really knowing what to feed her, just cooked up everything listed on his dog food label. And to his surprise, Jada loved it and got better in just a few days. And because of this, Brett has learned something shocking about dog food companies. Even though they show pictures of high-quality ingredients on their packaging, in reality, they can be pretty bad, like using unhealthy meat parts, lots of fillers, and processing methods that could be harmful to your dog. And an even bigger issue is that these goods are often marked as premium, natural, or even organic. For example, you might see a dog food labeled as beef, but in reality, it only contains maybe 3% beef. So this really hit Brett hard, and so he decided to start making fresh food for Jada himself. So as you can see, that is why Brett Podolsky and Jonathan Regev started the Farmer's Dog in 2014. They currently provide a premium subscription service that ships fresh, healthy dog food that is delivered all around the country, except for Hawaii and Alaska. So they customize meals according to the dog's breed, age, size, weight, degree of activity, and allergies. So there are 4 recipes to select from, all created by veterinarians and prepared with USDA-approved nutritious ingredients. They also let you change up the flavors to fit your dog's specific needs, keeping in mind that every dog is different and has a different lifestyle. And to be honest, for a service of this size, the level of customization is quite impressive. Also, something cool I really liked was that each package has the manufacturing date and my dog's name on it. Now, before we talk about the food, here's a bit of my personal experience with the Farmer's Dog. So my dog was healthy before, and I was just feeding him normal kibble dog food. But after I began feeding him the Farmer's Dog food, he began to improve dramatically. Just a week into feeding him the fresh and nutritious diet, I saw a huge difference. He became happier, more active than ever before, and just full of life. He started enjoying his walks more and playing around in the park with all the other dogs. And that was something he has never done before. He also appeared healthier overall, with his skin and coat getting shinier. It's like the balanced mix of proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals in his new diet worked wonders for his health. And it's really been amazing to see the transformation. Okay, now let's get into the most important part, which is going to be the food itself. So they've got 4 main recipes, as I mentioned before: beef, turkey, chicken, and pork. And so let's break it down a bit. Starting with the beef recipe, it's got beef, sweet potatoes, cooked lentils, carrots, and beef liver. This one's packed with omega-3 fatty acids and has the second to highest protein level of all their products. Next up is the turkey recipe. It's made with turkey, chickpeas, carrots, broccoli, and spinach. This one's got a great fat to protein ratio and the least meat protein in their lineup. The following is the chicken recipe. It includes chicken, Brussels sprouts, chicken liver, bok choy cabbage, and broccoli. Plus, it's got organic zinc and some important minerals, making it the protein powerhouse of the bunch. And lastly, we have the pork recipe. It's a mix of pork, sweet potatoes, green beans, and cauliflower. And it's rich in omega-3 fish oil, which is super good for your dog's heart health. Alright, so when I set up Max's profile, They let me choose from a list of health problems my dog could have, such as allergies, grain sensitivity, digestive problems, and ear infections. Additionally, they asked about his favorite flavors. However, I did notice that they don't use grains in their recipes, and according to the latest FDA staff, grains are important for a dog's heart health. So I've been adding some cooked rice to Max's meals just to keep his diet a bit more balanced. Now, to me, the best thing about the farmer's dog is that it only uses premium USDA approved ingredients, and they're all locally sourced and cooked in USDA inspected kitchens. They cook the food slowly at low temperatures to keep all the good nutrients and avoid bad stuff like carcinogens. And they also freeze the food right after cooking it, so when the food arrives, it's super fresh. Plus, it's very comforting to know that the American College of Veterinary Nutrition makes all of their recipes. They went above and beyond the requirements, even passing the AAFCO test on nutrition and quality, and that means a lot to me. Now let's discuss the packaging and delivery. And trust me, the farmer's dog has gotten this down pretty well. So, once I filled out all of Max's details and signed up, they shipped the food to me. And to my surprise, there was no shipping charge. The first order is a 2-week trial of dog food, and after that, shipments are delivered every 8 weeks. You also have the option to skip, pause, or cancel your subscription at any time without any charges. The farmer's dog also offers the flexibility to change delivery locations if needed, which is particularly useful if you move, are on vacation, or have someone else to take care of your dog temporarily. Okay, so let me tell you a little story. Once, I decided to mix things up and order the pork recipe for Max, even though he's really into chicken and turkey. And as you can probably imagine, he was not having it and simply turned it down. However, their customer service was excellent when I informed them. They were super helpful. Not only did they understand what was going on, but they also sent me a new recipe right away that Max liked better at no extra cost. Everything about that experience made me trust their service even more, and Max was quickly back to being his happy, tail-wagging self. Their customer service is really amazing. So now when the package arrived, it came in a big cardboard box with all of Max's meals for the month. They packed it with eco-friendly insulation and dry ice, so everything stayed frozen. Inside, I found the frozen food packs, feeding instructions, and the cool insulated bag that I can use over and over again for trips. Now, when it comes to defrosting the food, it takes about 12 to 24 hours, so I need to plan Max's meals ahead of time. And if I forget to, I'll defrost the packs in cold water bowls for a few hours. And once defrosted, the food's good in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. The one thing to keep in mind is how much freezer space you have. And since I got a month's worth of meals, it basically took up a nice amount of space. So if you've got a big family, or not so much room in your freezer, you might want to consider a separate freezer for your dog's food, or just don't order such large quantities at a time. Alright, so let's talk about the farmer's dog pricing. Since their food is custom made for each dog, prices vary, and it's hard to pin down an exact number. But just so you know, it's definitely more expensive than your typical grain or canned dog food. This is because of the high quality ingredients they use. Now, costs can range from $2 to $15 a day, depending on your dog's needs. But here's the thing, you're getting fresh, vet-designed recipes that are super good for your dog's health. So in my opinion, I think that makes the farmer's dog totally worth the cost. And by the way, what I have learned over time is that you can start by mixing their food with some cooked rice. It's a great way to add those important grains to your dog's diet. So if you're thinking about giving it a try, it's a pretty solid option to keep your dog healthy and happy. So to sum it up, I definitely recommend the farmer's dog. With their balanced nutrients, custom-made meals, and vet-designed recipes, your dog is really going to benefit from their food in so many ways. It's a significant improvement over regular dog food, which may contain less than ideal ingredients and have questionable health effects. And yes, the farmer's dog is a bit pricier, but considering the healthy and nutritious diet they offer for your dogs, I really think it's worth the cost. It really gives you peace of mind knowing you're giving your pet the best nutrition possible, while also giving them exactly what they need. So that will be all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please like and subscribe for more. And if you're interested in trying out the farmer's dog, make sure to check out the links in the description down below to get an extra 60% off your first box. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.